Okay, let's take this clamp and block off and see what we got. Now that this is dry, okie dokie, there's our repair. Now what I'm going to do is sand this very lightly. Get that tape off. It can be stubborn sometimes, but you can get it off. Nice thing about masking tape, glue does not stick to it, or epoxy. Alright. Now that we've got that off, I'm going to use a small little block because I want to keep this flat. I don't want it to get out, I don't want to dig a little dip. If you sand this just like this, you're going to make a little dip in there, and it's going to show up once the finish is on there. So I'm going to use a block to keep it flat. Okay. It's going to blend in real nice once the finish is put on. Now what I always do in situations like this, once the repair is done, I give it a light coat of putty. Just a light skim of putty over that repair. We'll let that dry, then we'll sand it and putty it one more time. I always putty twice. That way you know you've got it.